Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today Pepe coin is slipping a little bit lower. What are the targets for Pepe that we need to look out for to the downside as Bitcoin is currently falling lower and our total market cap is testing critical support? If we lose support at the level that I want to show you guys for total market cap, we have to be aware of potential lower levels for Pepe before we drop a zero or even 2 zeros, which I think is very possible. In fact, I think we're going to, I feel a high degree of confidence that we're at least going to drop 1 0. We're not that far away from doing that for Pepe, even with this recent dip. But I even think we could still drop 2 zeros in the future. But first, we've got tariffs coming at the beginning of the month here in April, coming up very soon, and that is causing some sell-off. So let's look at some key levels for Pepe coin holders and what's going on right now. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash the like button for more content like this. Turn on your notification bell so you can be alerted of the new breaking news, the key indicators and these levels as they're happening in essentially real time. When you see that notification, you watch the video. We're typically talking about things and then posting videos right away. So welcome back, guys. Let's look at what's going on. We've right now got Bitcoin dominance coming up, which I'm not surprised of, because when you see general weakness in the market, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance shoot up. And we are seeing weakness, right? Bitcoin kind of broke through a level. I said, hey, maybe there could potentially be a long opportunity at the bottom of this range. Well, it was a fake out. We had a 4-hourly move to the upside, and then we have collapsed back down through. And I didn't feel super confident about a long in this position because these tariffs are coming up. And so as Bitcoin is breaking lower, Bitcoin dominance shoots up. And if Bitcoin's falling and Bitcoin dominance is shooting up, that means that Pepe coin is falling as well. Here's your daily candles for Pepe. We've now got 3 daily red candles in a row coming down from our highs just 4 days ago. Another 21% move to the downside after a little bit of a recovery. Now, that being said, just back in March, early March, we're still up from early March, 38% for Pepe, up 74, because the reality is this crash from this high over here was much bigger than this little dip right here, though it is quite significant. Now, you are looking at the price of Pepe and probably seeing that there's some kind of level of support that we are kind of sitting at right now. You can kind of just see these daily candles testing. This daily candle's right now below the range. If we get this daily candle closing above the range, then we could be getting a bounce here. If we truly break below this range, like Bitcoin has done here, and Bitcoin could recover from this, by the way. This could be a fake out to the downside. But if Pepe could get this daily candle close here to get a little recovery, we might see a bounce. Now, how do we see Pepe coin getting a daily close there? Well, the price action needs to be, for the broader market, a little better than it is right now, because in 1 day, 8 hours, we are getting a weekly candle close, and we are right back to our critical level, which is the March 2024 highs, my friends. And we want to see this stay above this line. If we do not see our total market cap stay above this line right here, then unfortunately our total market cap could start falling down, possibly back to this peak over here, maybe even down to this peak that we have back here, which kind of matches up with this. So looking at some other key levels, in this peak as well, we could come back down to 2.4, which is essentially where this wick was down to. We could even come back down to 2.12. And if our total market cap came back down to 2.12, you would be looking at still, for the total market, another 20% drop. And if the total market dropped by 20%, then there is a chance that Pepe could certainly drop another 20% and maybe even revisit some of these other lows that it had back in early March. Could we go lower than that? We could. We absolutely could, but I certainly wouldn't like to see it, and I don't really expect it. That being said, coins like XRP, I've got an XRP video coming out later today. I'm going to talk a little bit more about the key levels, but like $2 support is key for XRP. If Bitcoin slips down to lower levels, and Pepe, XRP, all the altcoins are going to be following the same thing. If we see our Bitcoin prices fall down to, 71 or 73K, 71 would be my next kind of target to the downside for Bitcoin, then we could certainly see this price for total market cap come down to these levels. And I'm going to tell you guys, a move down to 71 or 72 for Bitcoin is not out of the question, guys, which means you could get another slip for Pepe, but it's not over yet. We are still at support for Pepe right now, at critical support. We're at critical support for our total market cap. And so these are things that I want to keep an eye on. In the meantime, there is no doubt about it, tremendous trading opportunities. And right now, if you're shorting Pepe, you're making some good money. If you want to sign up for Blowfin and do some trading for yourself, whether you want to short or long Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, or your favorite altcoin, they've got most of the altcoins here on Blowfin. This is where I like to trade them. Right now, if you deposit $100 into Blowfin, you get $10 of XRP for free to trade. If you're feeling down about Pepe today, I want to remind you guys, Pepe is not alone in its downward movements today. Bonk, Caspa, Gala, Sonic, Floki's down. A lot of coins are down. In fact, Pepe is not as down as some of these other currencies. It's actually holding up decently well for an altcoin, all things considered. With this general market weakness, this price action is to be expected. These tariffs are going to actually go live here in the beginning of April, so we need to look out for this. If I had to talk a little bit more about tariffs, I'd say once we kind of get past this April deadline, as long as we don't get more announcements of additional tariffs coming, we could kind of get that news behind us, and that could have been kind of a selling the fear event, right? And once the event's done, it's like, oh, tariffs are live and nothing feels different. Then, maybe it's like the market's like, hey, this is a great buying opportunity. And so as you see prices in the red consistently, guys, I've been very consistent in this. The way to succeed in crypto is to buy low and sell high. And no doubt, Pepe is a lot lower than it was before. And like I was telling you guys the other day, I do believe that we could see Pepe, and let me just share the screen one more time. We could see Pepe easily break another zero. Dropping a zero for Pepe is easy, even from here, even after this dip the other day. If we go up to this level, it's a 44% move to the upside. Is that hard to see for a Pepe coin? Absolutely not. What do you think happens when the total market cap recovers eventually? Even if we lose this level, we're going to find, I think, a lower level to get some kind of bounce, because on the macro side of things, crypto has never been more bullish in the history of this asset than right now. From a political perspective, from a geopolitical perspective, from an economical level, it is across the board the most bullish time for crypto. This is a natural sell-off after a tremendous amount of profits. Look at where we've come from, my friends. I want to remind you this. From December 2022 to where we're at today, the total market cap is up 250%. That's a 3.5x. It's been a good time, but no doubt we're in a lull right now. And so the people that have high conviction plays, and whether that's a large cap meme play like Pepe or just simply buying Bitcoin, I think we've got more upside. And as you see these dips, I believe they're accumulation zones. Again, if you want to do some trading, you could sign up for Blowfin using our affiliate link down below if you want to check it out. That is all I have for you in this Pepe update. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell for more videos like this. I want to give you guys this urgent Pepe update today because we are on a cliff. We are looking at a key level. And if Bitcoin and Pepe kind of lose these areas that we're looking at right now, we might see some more discounts, which means more accumulation opportunities for when this market does come back. And I think that it will. Do you agree? Do you disagree? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all I have for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is a Crypto Report. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA HODL. I'll see you in the next one, guys. I got 2 videos here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.